Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Combine 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1/4 TSB salt, 1 tablespoon oil, and 1/4 cup water to form a stiff dough you can roll thin. Knead for 3 minutes until smooth, then rest covered for 10 minutes so gluten relaxes. While dough rests, mix 1 TSB oregano, 1/2 TSB chili flakes, and 1/4 TSB garlic powder into a small bowl to use as the pizza spice blend. You can either lightly incorporate spices into the dough or sprinkle them on the rolled dough for layered flavor. Divide rested dough into 8 equal pieces to make 6 to 7 inch Khakhras. This recipe makes 8 Khakhras. Roll each piece to 2 mm thickness into a circle using light dusting of flour to prevent sticking. Preheat a heavy tava to medium hot and place the rolled dough on it. Cook 1 to 2 minutes until small bubbles form, flip, and cook the other side for 1 to 2 minutes while using a spatula to press and rotate for even heat. Apply 1 TSB oil or butter and press for 30 seconds to crisp and brown evenly. To make it pizza style, spread 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon grated cheese, and 1 tablespoon chopped bell peppers per Khakhra before the final crisping on the tava. After topping, cover for 20 to 30 seconds to help the cheese melt, then uncover and crisp each side for another 15 seconds so toppings set without sogginess. Serve warm or at room temperature with chutney. Store cooled Khakhras in an airtight container up to 7 days or freeze up to 1 month, reheating on a dry tava for 30 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.